welcome back. My name is Danielle. Today I have a grocery haul for you. As you guys know, I went ahead and I am transitioning, or I have transitioned over to the Points Plus program. And I went ahead and picked up some groceries, and I wanted to go ahead and share them with you. I do not have the freestyle points on there. I only labeled them with the Points Plus. Sorry about that, guys. Most things, they're fairly common in points, with the exceptions of like lean meats. Lean meats are still going to be counted. So hopefully this kind of gives you an idea of, kind of what I'm eating and how things are, changing up for me. People have been asking how have I liked it, what's my plan. And honestly, guys, the scale is finally moving. I feel really good. I feel like I'm not hungry. And I'm just really happy, just because I know people say you shouldn't go by the scale, but when you're putting in as much work as I am and you're not seeing that payoff, you're kind of like, what the heck? So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and jump into this haul. Hopefully you guys like it. If you're new here, please do not forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I would love to have you. I do all types of stuff around here. I do grocery hauls, clothing hauls, fashion, family, cleaning, everything. I do it. So I will see you guys later. So I went to the store and I did a little bit of a haul, and I wanted to share with you guys what I picked up, and I also put the points on there if you guys are interested. I am tracking my food with the ITRACKBITES app. I will link that below if you guys are interested. So let me go on ahead and show you what I got. I'm on my floor here, so I went ahead and picked up this Crocus Polish ham. For 2 slices is 1 point. I got a couple bags of lettuce for 0 points. You're able to have an apple for 0, so I got a little bag of apples. I picked up these Signature Sweet mini peppers. Those are for 0. These reduced fat crackers. These are 32 crackers for 4 points. I don't know if I'm going to eat many of them, but I also buy a lot of these things for my kids as well. I bought some of this like crispy Rice Krispie cereal. For 1.5 cups, it's 3 points. And I thought this would be really good on like my heavy leg days, so I can get some carbs in. I'm trying to incorporate more carbs back into this. I don't want to do low carb while I'm doing the Points Plus, so I'm going to kind of see how that goes. I got this Cinnamon Crunch one for the girls, 5 points for 1 cup. I won't eat that, but the girls like that. I do have the protein pancake mix. I haven't checked out the points for that, but I picked up the sugar-free maple syrup for, what is a 1/2 cup is 1 point. I won't use that much. I got a couple of these Greek non-fat yogurts, 3 points for the container, and they're pretty good, probably late night snack if I wanted just some extra protein. So I picked up 3 of those. I did pick up my cheese spreads. I got the garlic and herb and the pepper jack. There was only 1 pepper jack, so that's why I got the garlic one. I got the unsweetened vanilla almond milk to go with the cereal, and that is 1 cup for 1 point, so I'm kind of excited for that. I found these Italian chicken sausage, and I figured I could have those one night. And for 1 sausage is 4 points. And I thought maybe I can do like with some red sauce and some spaghetti squash or something with it. I don't know. I don't know what spaghetti squash is right now, so I'm kind of going to figure out how to include that. I did pick up the turkey bacon that I have. It's for 1 point for 1 piece. Those pretzel slims, Rhea likes to have those, and Rhea is still following freestyle, so I picked those up. And they're 3 points plus for 1 ounce, and those are pretty good, and she likes those. I did get my fat-free half and half for 2 tablespoons is 0 points. Put that in my coffee. Sophia and Rhea like these peanut butter crackers, and I picked those up. It's 4 points for 4 crackers. I got a couple sweet potatoes. I also wanted to have these on my heavier weight days as well. And this is for 1 cup, 4 points. I picked up a couple of these like flavored beverages. These are 0 points for each of them. And I just figured something to have extra, just, I don't know, I just had a taste for them. I went ahead and picked up some liquid egg whites for 0 points. I have to stay away from the whole eggs because they are heavy in points. So I picked up some egg whites to go with my breakfast. I got 2 cartons of blackberries. 1 cup is 1 point. I got some turkey sausage or turkey pepperoni, and for 16 of them is 2 points. I figured one day I could make some pizzas or something. I got the light string cheese for 1 point. And then I picked up these 2 pork sausages for Leo. They're 5 points for 2 ounces. No thanks. But one's hot and one's just regular. And then I found this turkey kielbasa, and I didn't think it was too bad. I was thinking of making like a breakfast skillet, and it's 2 points for 2 ounces. So that's a good amount. And I figured with some eggs and some onions and peppers and stuff, it'll be pretty filling. And I picked up some pork rinds for Leo. I'm not going to eat those, so I didn't even put the points down. And then I got this Fit and Active bread, and it's 2 points for 2 slices. Picked up these Italian style meatballs. These are so good, guys. I love them for like a quick meal. And they are 7 points for 6 meatballs. And they're pretty decent size, so it's not a bad choice for a quick meal. Like I said, I ran over to Walmart and I picked up some of this Joseph's lavish bread. So for the whole lavish is 3 points. Leo likes to have these for his wraps and stuff in the morning. And then I picked up a flatbread, and that's also 3 points. I figured one day I can do some pizzas and maybe have like a sandwich, like what do they call those, sandwich rolls or whatever. So I picked those up. And then I seen these bird's eye, what is it, Thai stir fry. I am not, they do come with like sauces inside. I'm not gonna have the sauce. I'm just gonna have the veggies, and those are 0 points. I picked up 2 cartons of eggs because they were on sale for 75 cents, and Leo and the kids like them, and for 1 egg is 2 points. So I'm starting to cut back on my eggs a little bit. Alright, so hopefully that, like I said, that grocery haul kind of gave you an idea. I am super budget conscious when I do my grocery shopping, so I do a majority of my stuff at like an Aldi, Walmart. I do a lot of coupon clipping and stuff like that, so I don't really do a lot of higher end grocers like Whole Foods or anything like that. So hopefully that kind of helps you out. I try to shop at places where I know that they're pretty big, that they're in a lot of areas. So if you guys have any questions about anything that I got or how I like stuff, just go ahead and let me know down below and I will answer you. Alright guys, I'm out of here. I'll see you later.